There are places on this earth where humans don't belong. And yet, here I am.
Minus 12 degrees Celsius. A blizzard that wants to rip the skin from your bones. And one man with a mission.
I'm not here to prove anything. I'm here to live it. Day 1. Survival mode. The mountain doesn't care about your plans. It tests you from the very first step. This snow will be my water. This wind will be my challenge. And that tent, that will be my home tonight.
From up there, I look like nothing. Just a grain of sand in a frozen desert. But down here, the real story begins.
Water is everywhere, but it's all frozen. I have to go find it in its raw form.
In this temperature, water is harder than concrete. But persistence always wins.
Look at this. Frozen purity. This ice has never seen pollution. This is mountain treasure. Finding dry wood in a blizzard? Nearly impossible. But I know where to look. Every branch is fuel. Every piece of wood is warmth. You don't waste anything out here. The walk back feels longer when you're loaded. But that tent is calling me. Home base. Right now, this patch of snow is my kitchen, my dining room, my everything. And here's the reason we're all here. Fresh mutton, in a blizzard, at minus 12. Let's make it happen. The fire ring is your first defense. Block the wind, protect the flame. Simple physics. 30 seconds without gloves feels like 30 minutes. But you do what you must.
No. The wind is too strong here. I have to change my position.
My body is the wall now. The mountain wind versus one man's back. Let's see who wins.
There it is. The most beautiful orange I've ever seen. A heartbeat. A beginning.
Gentle now, like you're talking to a frightened animal. Don't suffocate it. Encourage it.
Yes. Listen to that crackle. That's the sound of victory against the elements.
From above, it looks sacred. A flame in the void. A man and his fire.
The first warmth of the day. It travels from your fingers straight to your soul.
Ice to water. The longest journey in winter cooking. But we have time. Look at this quality. The fat marbling is perfect. Nature's energy source.
A sharp knife is a safe knife. And in these conditions, safety is everything.
Cutting meat at minus 12. The cold keeps it firm, actually makes it easier to slice.
See this layer of fat? That's not waste. That's pure fuel for a freezing body.
Salt, the only seasoning I need. When you're this cold, anything warm and salty tastes like heaven.
Boiling already. The ice has transformed. Now it's ready to transform this mutton into the pot. Raw survival going in, hot nourishment coming out.
The smell is already incredible. Salt, meat, fire smoke. Carried on mountain air.
Now we wait. The blizzard can do what it wants. Inside that pot, magic is happening.
This is the moment most people skip. The waiting, the silence, the being alone with your thoughts in the storm.
Whoa! That one had bite. The mountain is reminding me who's really in charge here. If I lose this tent, I lose everything. These ropes are my lifelines.
If you stand still too long out here, You become part of the landscape. Keep moving.
No rescue, no backup, no help for miles. Just me and my decisions.
From here, you can see exactly how alone you really are. And honestly, that's the point.
The fire never abandoned me, and I won't abandon it. We're partners out here.
Almost ready. The mutton is tender. The broth is rich. My stomach is screaming. See that tenderness? The knife goes in like butter. That's hours of cold work rewarded.
We did it in a blizzard at -12. A proper mutton feast.
Careful now. Hot metal and cold air. One wrong move and you've got burns or you've lost your meal.
Broth first, always broth first. It warms the core before the food even hits your stomach.
Oh, that's it. Liquid warmth traveling down. Salty, rich. Perfect.
Look at this. Restaurant quality. Cooked on an open fire in a snowstorm.
This right here, this is the trophy. This is what surviving the blizzard earns you. Tender, juicy, worth every frozen finger and every gust of wind.
No restaurant, no table, no chairs, no roof. Just me, the mountain, and the best mutton I've ever tasted.
Every last drop. Nothing wasted. Out here, you respect every calorie.
From up there, I'm just a man having lunch. But down here, this is victory.
Thank you, Mountain. You tried your worst, and I had a feast in your face. No sink, no soap, just snow and effort. Wilderness dishwashing.
Let the fire enjoy its final feast too. It's earned it.
People ask me why I do this. Why come to -12 degrees to cook meat?
Because this is when you truly feel alive. Not in comfort, in the struggle. Out here, you're small. And that's the most honest feeling in the world.
Day one is complete. The blizzard is still here. I am still here. That's a win.
If you enjoyed watching me cook mutton in a blizzard and survive -12 degrees, then hit that like button, subscribe to The Frost, and come with me on the next adventure. The mountain is calling. Will you answer?